Good evening, distinguished professors, scientists, researchers, and dear students from different regions of the world. All are most welcome in this session. I am Dr. Faisal Islam Choudhury, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, University of Chittagong, Bangladesh, the host of today's webinar. I would like to mention about Nanotechnology and Renewable Energy Research Laboratory, Department of Chemistry, University of Chittagong, Bangladesh, an initiative for opening opportunity for our students and teachers to conduct high quality research and publication and publish in high impact journals, and to building capacity of the students on modern science and technology fields such as energy generation and storage, nanotechnology, computational chemistry, etc. Also, we try to manage various state-of-the-art technology for materials and device characterization, such as EIS, FTIR, XRD, EDX, DSCPGA, SAM, HRTM, and also DSSC preparation and characterization in collaboration with various organizations such as DCSIR, Bangladesh Atomic Energy Commission, Open State University, USA, University of Malaysia, University of Malaysia, Sarawak, Malaysia. We are working collaboratively to improve our quality of research and publication. We work and hope for the betterment of our students. And now I would like to introduce our today's speaker, Professor Dr. Saidur Rahman sir. Today's speaker, Professor Dr. Saidur Rahman. The webinar title is How to Write Review Article and Publish in High Impact Journals. Professor Dr. Saidur Rahman is currently working as a distinguished professor and head of the Research Center for Nanomaterials and Energy Technology, RCNMET, at Sunway University. He is also working with Manchester University as a full professor. Previously, he worked as a chair professor at the Center of Research Excellence in Renewable Energy at King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals, KFUPM, Saudi Arabia. Prior to joining KFUPM, Professor Saidur worked 18 years in University of Malaya. He worked as distinguished visiting research professor at American University of Ras Al Khaimah, UAE. He graduated from Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, BUET, in 1997 from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and completed his both master's and PhD from University of Malaya, Malaysia. Clarivate Analytics, or Thomson Reuters, awarded him highly cited researcher for being among the top 1% researcher for most cited documents in his research field for the 6 consecutive years, 2014 to 2020. He also achieved highest accumulation citations award from University of Malaya from 2011 to 2014. In 2019, Prof. Saidur won Vice Chancellor's Award for Achievement in Research at Sunway University. Professor Saidur published almost 500 journal papers, mostly in top-ranking high-impact journals. He is ranked #1 by Web of Science on nanofluid research-related topic. He has more than 36,000 citations with a H index of 97, according to Google Scholar Citation. Professor Saidur presented series of publications talk on writing high-impact journal papers locally and internationally. He has supervised more than 80 postgraduate students so far and has secured and managed more than 15 million ringgit research grants. Prof. Saidur is working in the area of emerging nanomaterials, MagGenes, and their application in energy storage, heat transfer, and solar energy harvesting. Thank you. Thank you, Professor Dr. Saidur Rahman. Now, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Saidur Rahman for his speech.
Thank you, Dr. Faisal, for the introduction. Assalamu alaikum and hello, everybody. First of all, I again thank you, Faisal, for arranging this event, particularly to share my experience with the young generation, those who will be benefited from my experience. I also would like to thank some senior professors, Professor Jamaluddin, Professor Saleh, and some other doctorate degree holders. This was intention was to share my experience with the junior researcher. Hopefully, you will give some, you will share your experience as well, if possible. I will share whatever I have so far. You are also experienced. I'm sure that you can top up whatever I'm going to present here. I'm not perfect. I cannot share each and everything. Definitely, you have something to share also. And probably I will be learning something from you as well. Let me share my slide first. Can you see my slides? Faisal?
Yes, it can be seen. Yeah.
Yeah. What about my voice? Is it appropriate?
Yeah,
too loudy,
so.
too slow?
Fine.
This is okay.
Fine, right? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So I will be basically sharing my experience. As Faisal also mentioned, I have supervised number of postgraduate students, particularly PhD and master students, almost 80 masters and PhD students. This is how also I gain my experience and I share my knowledge with my students. This is how I also learn and also got the benefit of writing review paper. What is its importance, why you need to write it, and how to write it. These are the few things I'll be discussing here. As you can see the first slide, basically, this is also the publishing a peer review paper. It also has to go through a peer review process. Please mute your microphone, otherwise it is disturbing. As you can see here, it is not an easy task. So this is basically is to ensure the quality. So there are many people. This can be supervisors, this can be reviewers, this can be editors. So they are in front of you to stop you so that quality is ensured. Again, it shows that it is not an easy task, but if you know, if you are well trained, if you got the proper guideline, so it might not be that difficult things. So at the end of this talk, what will be your benefit? What will be the outcome? So what is the importance of the review paper? Why we need to write a review paper? I'll be explaining more some slides on this point. And what is the definition of a review paper? Because we know there are varieties types of papers. It can be original paper, it can be conference paper, journal paper, review papers, numerical, computational, analytical paper. There are varieties types of paper. So some we define as an original paper and some we define as a review paper. So I will specifically define how to understand review paper and how it is different from original paper. And one of the focus will be how to write a review paper. I think that's the reason you are here. I may not be able to share each and everything today. Maybe some other subsequent presentation also, I'll be sharing some of the things also, how to write a review paper. And of course, whatever we are trying, we are planning, there are always challenges and how to overcome all those challenges, how we overcome our challenges. So that's also some of the things I'll be sharing with you. So now push.
Sir, may be muted. Unmute, please.
Please unmute. Dr. Saidur, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now you can hear.
We can hear.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So this is important slides, particularly those who are new, those who are intending to pursue master's, PhD, and even some new researcher as well. So when I